About it.
A bank is kind of serious and not me to fathers.
Oh. Now what is it that you do?
I work on this, so
Where?
this is my table, so I can work.
Okay, and where do you work?
Right at a bank, so you would sir take pictures.
Oh, what is all that on the table in front of you?
This is money, so
And what do you buy with the money?
pay stuff.
Okay. What else do you do?
Pay flags.
You do?
So,
So, are you saying you are a bank lady?
yeah, about a bank too.
You work at a bank?
Yeah.
Oh.
So this is my table, so I can work on it.
Oh, okay.
So, you want to see my girlfriend?
Your girlfriends?
But I got to do it down.